I'm recording the sewer line here at 7345 23rd Avenue Northwest. Date is June 11th, 2020. I'm recording this from the roof vent outside here of the house. And we're going to pull back. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City main. We're going to pull back from here and take a look at the line. So we did a repair at a section where there was a large offset that caused a backup. And we're going to come back. I'll let you know where our repair is. The rest of this pipe is original pipe, shared with the neighbor to the south. So coming back from the city main, this is the shared common pipe. It's a 6-inch line. 6-inch clay line. Coming back towards the house now. So probably under the street right now, coming back towards the sidewalk. We're upside down. I'm going to flip us around there. And again, this is 6-inch pipe shared with the neighbor. As you can see, it's all open right now, flowing. We should be getting pretty close back to the repair now. We're in 4-inch pipe now. And there is our repair we installed. So this is where the pipe was offset and caused the clog. We installed this new plastic chunk of pipe and added a maintenance clean out there. We're coming back still. Old 4-inch clay pipe. And we got a turn there where we're getting a little bit of stuff caught up sewage wise, but not enough to back anything up by any means. A little bit of a lip in the pipe right there that looks like it's caught a little bit of sewage. That sewage up on the top of the pipe is not affecting flow. So we're coming back into the house now, or underneath the house. And we're coming back towards the vent stack. So here we're up in the vent stack, and we're out of the vent. So there's the vent recording from the roof up here. I'm going to end the recording there and wrap up.